Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's open the list of all applications, choose settings. Here you need to scroll down to choose apps, select more key in that corner and choose reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restriction for apps, default apps, background data restriction, permission restrictions, but what's really important, you will not lose any existing app data. So if you are aware of this operation and you would like to still accomplish that, let's choose reset. And that's it, you just reset app preferences. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.